Today, I would like to talk about introduction of JavaScript. Do you all know what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a very powerful client-side scripting language. JavaScript is used for enhancing the interaction for a web page. It is a programming language that makes the web page more interactive. There are several tools that can do JavaScript, but the tools I use most is Notepad++. The common use for JavaScript are image manipulation, form validation, and dynamic changes of content.
JavaScript can also work together with HTML. First, you have to open a script tag. This tag is used to define a JavaScript. Then, you can choose document.getElementById method to enter HTML element inside the script tag. This method is the most common method that most of the people using. Not just tag, JavaScript also have another tag called noScript. This tag is used to provide an alternate connect for users that have disabled script in their browser or a browser that doesn't support JavaScript.
Next, all of the JavaScript must have a variable to script the program. Creating a variable in JavaScript is called declare. Variables are containers for storing data value. All of the variables must be identified with unique names such as x, y, and also this will based on your question given. But the important thing is you have to use the var keyword to declare the variable. Therefore, you can declare many variables in one statement by starting the statement with var and separate the variables in a comma.
Furthermore, JavaScript has its own way to display the data. For example, it uses document_write to display output, and it will show the things you insert into the bracket when you open the web page. This JavaScript can also write an alert box by using alert bracket. It will automatically show you an alert message when you open the web page, and the user will have to click OK to proceed. It is often used if you want to make sure information comes close to the user. JavaScript still has another box called prompt box. The prompt box is often used if you want the user to input the value before entering a page. The user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed after enter the input. Box will return the input value if the user click OK and return now if user click cancel. Confirm box is with the specified message along with OK and a cancel button.
The last topic I want to talk about is arithmetic operators. It has many types of operators for this topic. First of all is addition operator. It is used for add numbers. The next operator is subtraction. This operation is used to subtract numbers. After that, we have multiplication operator. The multiplication operator is used for multiplies numbers. We also have division operator for divide numbers in JavaScript. Therefore, we still have modulus operator. It is used to return the division remainder. Thus, we still have the increment operator. It helps to increment numbers. Here are 6 most common arithmetic operators. I will end up my talking about JavaScript here. Hope you all are more understanding about JavaScript now after my explanation. Thank you.